I know it's Christmas Day, but I never miss drama. Please, guys, I'm just asking. I'm not accusing anybody of anything. This is Mama Gift's picture of baby Gift. Amefanyiwa surgery. Please, MC Chris and Mama Gift, you better come forward and explain to us. Explain to us, MC Chris. You see, you posted why these pictures are Googled pictures. Why are you using Google Pictures to lie to Kenyans that is baby Gift? You can see this is Google Pictures. I'm not scandalous. I'm just asking as a Kenyan and as a TikToker. I'm not accusing anybody. Maybe there is an explanation to this. Please explain to people why this is Googled. Guys, Mama Gift is a scam. Scam of the highest order. Guys, there is nothing enye mtaniambia enye itago against that. Because Karangu wa Muraya alikuwa anafanya nini India? Na walikuwa wamekatazwa. Guys, walikuja wamekon watu 1.1 million shillings kwa platform MC Chris. Mama Gift is a scam. Na anatumia picha za Google. And I'm wondering, MC Chris, unatumiwa picha za Google. How didn't you know that ni picha za Google unatumiwa? Lazima ufanye background check. This is so wrong, guys, in so many ways.